Hi there, welcome back. I can slow down now. I was trying to rush so much to try to get it all within 15, and I knew it was going to be close, but I couldn't get it. So let's just start back with Karen. So Karen got legally married. Um, well, we think she never met with the counselors or anything. So that's the first thing we need to address. Whether she's actually legally married, if the parents condone it. If she's 16 or above, the parents can condone it. She can be legally married in Kansas. And then she's actually considered an adult at that point. So her kind of situation changes a little bit, where she could excuse herself from school. There's different things we have to look at there. Tyrone had several excused parent trips that he took with his father. They were doing a lot of educational things, which the homeroom teacher approved. Those just need to go through the principal. I think I would probably have no problem excusing those. They just need to come through me. Christina had several church absences. In the paperwork, it said that the minister had given her a sign sheet and everything. We just need to communicate with parents on that. Any church things is always approved and everything. We just need to make sure parents' rights are signed off and everything, that they're good to go on there. Carl's a little bit different situation. We probably need to set up a parent meeting and put Carl on an attendance plan. Most of all his absences were unexcused. He was placed under truancy officer, went home, and Carl's parents, just don't have a real big need for education. They don't see the importance of it. So we probably need to put Carl on some sort of attendance plan. And then John is our star athlete that our athletic director has just kind of let slip, and it seems like that's kind of a school problem where a lot of our athletes are skipping class and teachers aren't taking attendance. So that's something we need to address with the staff and faculty. I need to sit down and have a meeting with our athletic director and make sure that this can no longer happen. He was having some doctor's appointments that he would leave like at noon for. That's okay. They just need to make sure we're getting 5 hours of the day. And so if those can be rescheduled a little bit later, that would be for the best. But him skipping school just to rest up for games, we cannot have that happen. Number 5, we're going to monitor the progress. So what I like is we're just going to reset the absences when everyone comes back, and then we're going to monitor. If kids are starting to have absences when they hit 4, we're going to issue a warning to them. We're going to say, hey, one more, and that's going to put you kind of under that 90% already for the entire quarter, and that's going to put you on an attendance program. And then we're going to start a rewards program. So we might do that as a bi-weekly thing, where if kids don't miss any school for 2 weeks, we might put their name in for a drawing and do drawings. Simple little things like popcorn, walking around, administrators handing out popcorn and giving that as a reward. It's always good. And then the one that I've already hit on, getting maybe a partial day off of school, a couple hours at the end of the day on a Friday, will go a long ways, I think, to helping kids get to school. Number 6, we're going to analyze for improvement. So we're going to assess the data after the spring semester, and we're going to make adjustments if necessary. We're going to hopefully see an improved attendance rate for everybody, and then we're going to go from there. If it's not, we got to look at a reassess and make adjustments. Equity issues. We're going to address equity issues as we identify them. So if there's a certain population of students, families that have needs that are causing these attendance rates to be down, we're going to address those needs. We're going to get them the support that they need, and that's where we're going to look for those outside services to help us. So other outside services we didn't hit on a lot was you can use your local police department to help with truancy cases, your social people welfare, all those different types of things, and make sure families are supplying their kids with well-being that they need to be successful. And the last thing is we're going to advocate. We're going to advocate for student achievement and school improvement. By improving our attendance rate, we're going to keep attendance rates high. We're going to also focus on building relationships and connecting with families. I think if you can build those relationships and get kids happy to be at school, that goes a long ways in improving your attendance rate. Having a good connection with the families, just being able to call home and say, hey, Johnny hasn't been in school for a couple days, what's going on? That needs to happen and take place, where parents know if their kids aren't at school, we're going to be calling and figuring out why. A couple references here. Thank you for your time.